Welcome to part 4 of the Intro to the Mirror Bible app. Let's explore the other main modes. In order to do that, we go back to the so-called context menu, and in here you find a couple of interesting functions. One is the bookmark. If you press the bookmark, you'll note that there's the bookmark sign on this verse. And you can also click on a word, press long for half a second or so, and select the bookmark. So you'll notice that you can't bookmark words, but only verses, which in most cases, this is okay, I believe. You can also bookmark verse notes, so as easy as that. And we can change a couple of chapters and bookmark, for example, this verse here. Now, how do we go back to those bookmarks? Well, that's easy. We go to the search for bookmarks mode. In here, we see that we have 4 verses now with bookmarks, and 3 are prior to Roman 8. So we can click here. We see now all 4 bookmarks at once. We see the time they were created, and we can choose if you want to see them in chronological order or in biblical order. If we have the biblical order, we can also see in which books those occur. If we choose chronological order, then the newest bookmark is on top. So you can very quickly go back to the place you last bookmarked. Then you can also add notes to a verse. So if you press long again on verse number, you can go here, use a note on this verse. So you write your note here, and you'll note that icon here, it tells you that for this verse, there's a note. But also for verse notes, you can write your own user note. And I guess you expect this already, to search for all the places where you have user notes. You go here and go to the user notes search, and it will tell you we have 2 verses with notes. Here they are. You can delete them here, you can change them here, and again, as in bookmarks, you can choose between biblical order and chronological order. So very handy. Then there's the lexicon search. We'll look at this in a separate video. So in the next video, we'll have a closer look at the context menu. That was part 4.